What's up YouTube, this is Sammy Slimeful here. I just wanted to bring you a brief presentation on how to make an exploding arrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a, out of the way, I'm going to take a bottle rocket and I'm going to put this close to the tip with the fuse facing out. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some tape. Okay, that's good. So a little measurement there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the tape, I'm going to wrap it really tight, so it's good enough. Alright, what I'm going to do, again with the tip facing out. Okay, so yeah, here we go. I'm going to take the tape, I'm going to run it around the red piece. Perfect, there we go. This may take a minute, just bear with me guys. So, there we go. Make sure it's nice and snug. Around this, start to go down a little bit. Keep it nice and snug. So guys, just bear with me. I know this is kind of the annoying. The boring part, but just gotta do what's necessary. So goes with the arrow. And my last video that I made was a fail because the bottle rocket, the arrow shot off without the bottle rocket. So hold on one sec, guys. I'm coming down the home stretch. Nice and snug. There we go. Okay, almost done. That ain't coming off. Okay, so now, see if that's going to come off or not. That ain't coming off. Let's tie it on there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my lighter, and I'm going to shoot it. So, not a better place to put this, because this is a garage, and I'm not going to shoot it in here. If I shoot it in here, then everything blows up. And that is just a big no, sir. Big no-no. So, is that good? Yeah, that's good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fuse and see. That's good. And on my go. 3, 2, 1. That was awesome. I didn't hear the blow up because it went so far out. Well, yeah, guys, just happy 2013 New Year's. Hope everything goes well. And please watch, rate, subscribe, comment for more, and I'll make some more videos. Thanks. Peace out.